I'm Tim Kelly, the founder of Kelly Law Offices. I've been practicing law in Indiana and Illinois for the past 45 years. I'm often asked what you should do when you're involved in an accident. I have 10 pointers which I think everyone should use if they're involved in an accident or a crash. Number one is stop. If at all possible, keep your vehicles in the position that they were in at the time of the crash. There may be circumstances where you have to move the vehicles to allow for the flow of traffic, but if at all possible, try to maintain the position of the vehicles so that the officer can see it when he arrives. Number two, protect yourself at the scene. Make sure your flashers are on, step back away from the vehicles so that you are not being hit a second time by another vehicle. Number three, call the police. Don't be talked into not making a police report. You're going to need the police report even if it's just a property damage claim. Number four, when the police arrive, make an accurate record of the event. Make sure that the officer understands completely your version of how the crash occurred. Number five, take pictures. Everyone's got a cell phone. Take pictures of your vehicle, take pictures of the scene, and take pictures of the other vehicle involved. Number six, get witness information. A lot of times there will be witnesses to an event who will come up to you right after the occurrence. They may not stick around for the police officer because remember, the police officer takes some time to get there. He's spending time with the occupants of the vehicles, and maybe the witnesses have to leave. So if there are witnesses to the event, get their contact information as quickly as you can after you've taken your photographs. Number seven, seek medical attention. Oftentimes injuries from crashes don't occur or appear until a day or two after the event. It's always best to go to the emergency room to get checked out. If you absolutely don't want to go to the emergency room, call your family physician on the day of the crash and make a request for an appointment to see the doctor so you can be checked out. Number eight, report the accident to your insurance. Your insurance policy requires this information. If you fail to report an accident to your insurance company, you might be jeopardizing your coverages under that policy. Number nine, keep a file. In that file, keep information such as the names and the contact information for your witnesses, copies of any reports or information that the police officer gives you at the scene, information on the other driver, and any information regarding any medical treatment that you've received. And finally, number 10, and maybe this should have been number one, protect your rights. When I say protect your rights, it's really best if you call your attorney as soon as possible after the crash.